Hello class 5 children, welcome to science class. In the previous class we were discussing about the chapter Moon and Artificial Satellites from your Dewdrop's Term 3 book. This much we have covered in the first video, part 1, about facts about Moon, how is the surface of Moon, distance of the Earth and the Moon, how much time does the Moon take to complete a revolution. These are some of the important topics. Okay, what is a satellite? How is the surface of Moon? It is covered with dust. That's why it looks like a rocky desert. We have also talked about craters. These pictures I have shown you before also. If you have not seen that video, watch it again. Now we'll talk about whether there is life on Moon or not and the gravity of Moon. The Earth is surrounded by a layer of atmosphere which absorbs a part of sunlight. So it does not become very hot during the day. At night the atmosphere does not allow the heat of the Earth to escape. So atmosphere of our Earth protects us from meteors also, which otherwise would have fallen on the Earth. So I have discussed in the first video that Earth is protected by the layer of atmosphere. We have all discussed it in the video in the chapter Essential for Life, Air and Water, right? What are the layers of atmosphere? How does it protect us? We have also discussed about greenhouse effect. So these are some of the things which are responsible for life on Earth, and Earth is also having gravity, whereas there is no life on Moon because there is nothing on Moon. The gravity of the Moon is also very less than Earth. There is no life on Moon because there is no water. The surface is very uneven and it is always hit by many meteors. Anytime the meteors hit the surface of Moon and they cause a great impact which cause craters. So there is nothing which can support life on Moon. Even there is no atmosphere at all which can protect us from the heat of the sun and from extreme cold temperature. Okay, so there is no atmosphere surrounding the Moon. There is no wind, no rain, no cloud on the Moon's surface. The side of the Moon facing the sun is extremely hot and the side away from the sun is freezing cold. So we can't live in either part of the Moon. Okay, so that's why nobody can live on Moon. Sun is extremely hot and the side away from the sun is freezing cold. There is no air on the Moon. As there is no air, the astronomers' footprints remain there forever. Because we all know that air is responsible for movement. That is wind, right? Moving air is called wind. So, whenever astronomers they step on the Moon, they leave some of the footprints which are there forever. There is no sound, and because of no sound, nothing can be heard on the Moon as sound travels in air. So because there is nothing present on Moon, life is not possible on Moon. Neither the living things can survive on it, neither they can communicate because there is no sound, and sound cannot travel on Moon because there is no air, no water, no rain, nothing. So I hope you have understood why there is no life on the Moon. Now gravity of the Moon, the Earth pulls everything towards itself. For this activity there is a small activity. Whenever you throw a ball upwards, it will always return back. No matter how much high you throw the ball up, or even when you put a sixer in the cricket, that's why everything falls back on the Earth because of good gravity of Earth. There is a gravitational pull of the Earth. This force of gravity is also present on the Moon, but there is a lot of difference in the gravity of Earth and the gravity of Moon. Size of the Moon is very small as compared to the Earth, so the force of gravity is less. It is 1/6 of the gravity of the Earth. What is the gravity of Moon? The gravity of Moon is equal to 1/6 of the gravity of Earth. Okay. Therefore, if an object weighs 42 kg on the Earth, its weight on the moon will be only 7 kg. So can you understand that why there is a difference in the weight also? Because earth is having a very high gravitational pull, whereas moon is not having any kind of gravity, and the gravity which it is having is very less, that is 1/6 only of the gravity of earth. That's why we can also say that the earth is responsible for the shape of the moon because of so high gravity of earth. Okay, now we'll talk about phases of the moon.